Massive, massive, massive.
Thank you. Why? Because I won't let you in my room. Just smash the fuck out of my bike. I hope you feel good. Does that feel good? Good.
Yeah.
That hurt. That hurt. Nice. I hope so.
I beat on this. Beat it. Yeah. Fix it. Don't like it.
That's like one of my most valuable assets I have. And it's like one of the only things that's like from like back when I used to have fun and shit. Yeah. Whatever. That's gorgeous. That was a gorgeous bike. She was beating the piss out of it before we turned the camera on. You know why? Because I locked her out of my room. It's fucked up. It's fucked up. It's fucked up. I would have never broken anything hers. It's fucked up. No pathetic. Whatever. Just material. Won't hurt me that bad.
Take a look at it. Really massive. The back light's off. Oh, it's going off.
Thanks.
Makes me feel good. Makes me feel good.
Why does it make you feel good?
Smash me again. I'm gonna smash this. He said I couldn't hurt it. He laughed at me. Yeah.
That's like a $10,000 motorcycle.
Guess you had an accident. Yeah.
It's fucked up.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah, an accident. I guess you rode your bike. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'll take care of it. Funny, funny.
It's fucked up.
Hey, what can I say? My anger got the better of me.
See, she's a fucking jerk.
Hey, you got the fuse and I got the bike.
Fucking jerk. I didn't think she would go that low. Well, she's hit it before, but crazy bitch. So tired of her. I wish I had somewhere to go. I would just go. She wants me gone. I would actually be gone, except for where do I go? No. What should I go stay in a hotel? You know, like, the fuck? Could be war, but I don't know. I don't think I will. 20 years ago, she would have just made the wrong fucking mistake. It's fucked up. That is fucked up too. That's not like a little thing. That's an expensive fucking thing. It's like a